Alrighty guys, guess where we are? We're here at Menards, here in Batavia, Illinois.
See where they cut the concrete up.
And we got a new elevator here. As you all know, it's an Abell. Look at that. That's interesting. Let's go to. Here are two. Let's go down to one. Here we go. Let's go back up to two. To go out a ring. Close the door. It's a nice elevator. Actually, I'm not sure what that thing is. It's so interesting. Anyway, there's the floor indicator, capacity 4,500. Yeah. Not sure where that is. Anyway, universal buttons. With this really weird thing down here.
I don't have the so I won't be able to take it today. Yeah. So I'm just curious, like size-wise, or.
Yeah, if you want to call up, I can show you the box.
Okay, perfect, great, thank you.
Yeah. You guys can come up.
Okay, sounds good.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're close. There goes the elevator. Yeah, this is a new elevator. You can tell by the fact that they just cut this up. So that's the original floor. And this is the new floor. But yeah. It's kind of weird they don't have a map of this place, but yeah, I guess that is going to be it for me.